Better late than never. I'm giving away this DJI Mavic Mini drone that helped me film the most memorable footage in my life. It comes with a controller, 3 cables to connect to your phone, spare propellers, and a protective case. In order to enter the giveaway and have a chance to win this little but powerful guy, make sure to follow the next 3 steps. Number 1. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Maxim Eskov. Number 2. Like this video. And number 3, leave a comment under this video. The more creative you get, the better. Steps number 1 and 3 are crucial to be considered for this giveaway. I will conduct a lottery during a YouTube live once my channel reaches 1,500 subscribers. The sooner we get there, the sooner one of you will have this little guy in your mail. And make sure to check out my other channel content. Happy 2023!